Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ENERMAX LIQTECH XTR Workstation-Level CPU AIO cooler. So friend, ENERMAX is proud to launching the new workstation-level CPU AIO cooler, the LIQTECH XTR, and specially designed for AMD Ryzen, Threadripper, and Intel Xeon W series processor with cooling capacity of over 550 watt, and the liquid cooler debuted a and the liquid cooler features enlarged cold plate design on its water block and fully covering the IHS area of both AMD Threadripper and Intel Xeon W series processor thanks to the ENERMAX high efficiency EP1 pump with 450 L and H flow rate and 3000 RPM radiator fans and the liquid cooler to implanted the magnetic fully rotatable real-time status digital display, and user can manually adjust the LED screen on the water block to set their preferred digital direction, and the additional software NMX tuner can further provide a real-time data showing on the water block. And NMX liquid cooler is perfect cooling solution for workstation, and the liquid cooler is perfect cooling solution for workstation that need to perform heavy duty tasks such as 3D rendering, product visualization, simulation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and many more applications. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.